welcome in. My name is Janet P. If you've never seen my face before, and if you're returning, welcome. And good morning. Yeah, I look crazy as fuck. So I'm doing my intro. Hey, welcome in. My name is Janet P. If you've never seen my face before, and if you're returning, welcome. And if you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, bookie. Okay. I don't know what the day is going to bring today. I'm just like, I'm gonna pick up the camera because, well, why not? No telling what I'll do. But at least I already have, a start in the morning instead of me starting like 6 o'clock if I am doing something. So right now, I'm just eating some granola, yogurt, and strawberries. And I'm watching Michaela Moore's video. And in a bit, I'm about to make my baby some breakfast. She just wants some, I forgot what they call, some type of strip things. So I'll make her some of those. And yeah, we're gonna see where the day takes us. I miss y'all. If y'all don't know, I miss y'all. I love y'all. So yeah, see ya. So it's beef flank and ribs. I'm about to make her some beef flank and ribs. And yeah, y'all might see a little bit of me cooking. Sorry, I ain't brush my teeth. I ain't do nothing. It's 10:58 in the morning. And yeah, I'm gonna look better later, I promise. I see the skin is back eating again. We had some difficulties the past month, but we're back and we're better. But yeah, y'all might see me cook just a little bit. So I'll see y'all.
I stopped rapping and re-offended. You know when the track needs mending. Too much mixing a brizzy. You know when the pack needs blending. Buy it, cop it, tell me you shot and the gang's on spending. You never beat that mash off one hand after the boot and your hands all trembling. Too much cap I'm hearing, too much swag they're wearing. And ain't bought no hammers, that's so backwards, man, that's scary. Shootouts in the winter, letting off buying and my eyes all teary. My football boots been dirty, you can't rap like that, you ain't 30. Only time I step out naked is when I'm fresh out of ensuite. I know I'm a rapper, sorry to say it's on me. Pocket, rocket, lock it, shorty fix his fate. Great, she don't know that I try to get men in his face. If I fire this four in the neighborhood, you're gonna hear goodness grace. If I bust this brick in the kitchen, listen, you're gonna need 2-3 plates. Proud of drops cause I'm proud of babe. This one's long but small like Nave. Pick up them cases, don't wanna cave. Out here on the block and they know we're warm. Friends wanna search for hammers, I know that they hope they're warm. 2L show love to the bells, only go when the corn gets warm. Cool from bears, well, home soon make sure it's warm.
But they act tough like we ain't seen no crime. Big smoke, K-trap. Way before we had Rolex watches, boy it was scheming time. Pull up in 4 Rolls Royces, look at them racist faces. I know they can't stand me, secretly wish they could still hang me. But now they gotta hang me next to the Banksy. Painting pictures, came in the game with a 3.5 on my violent scriptures. Who got vision, who's talking business? They wanna tell me who's beefing, who I wanna talk about racks and plays. I see 40 M's on the table, it's about time that I yak my wage, I'm paid. African boy, no MBE. Walked in the club with some MP3s on a USB. Walked back at the club with 100 G's, who's beefing me? Put Fiat Quat, my soldier rise like Cleon. Old school Meridian, Marley, Christian. Free up the topless, you know the hood missed them.
Remember them man there try pull up. Silly, you know it was full up. Done a broad day, should've put my hood up. I'm back and better. Tell you what times it was Matt Beretta. Now we got a Glee and a K, that's better. Blessed with a SK verse. Stress on a SK burst. Told my booter, don't let her go, wait for the hand gesture first. Get backs, that's major. Do you like warm? Trending a year later. Power the paper, businessman. Before it was flying a razor. Really flew day out overseas. Unlimited sun and loads of sea. Gang still giving them holy teas. AK in the back, got a fold to see. Remember when we pulled up with the sawn off. Now we got a G9E and I give it to P. If you know I'm the rapper, he's got more tapes than me. Out here on the block and they know we're warm. Friends wanna search for hammers, I know that they hope they're warm. 2L show love to the bells, only go when the corn gets warm. Cool from bears, well, home soon make sure it's warm. Can't go back if blood gets drawn. Send man home when the jacket's torn.
They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in at the back end, coming. Fuck with my stole the show. Done run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just search you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just burst you. Tag low, stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Tag low, slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Tag low, two-tone Cartier matching nails, hoe. Tag low, no competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Tag low, curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, hoe. Tag low, say they get money, but I can't tell, hoe. Tag low, keep running circles around these snail, hoe. Tag low, and my shit bumping up in the jail, hoe. Get low, where you been at, mine? Everywhere I'm working hard, Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players, my folks don't.
So it is now 1:35.
Damn.
It's 1:35 and my baby just washed my hair. That's just seen that thing was
Don't do
thick.
that. Take me out of that. Do your own.
Okay, you're not. I can cut you out. I'm not gonna post it up. I use this shampoo.
Wait, I'll be right back.
This
Oh, y'all doing my nerves.
like conditioner product kind of.
Trying to do a TikTok.
A dandruff co-wash, and then I made some rice water. So yeah, and then right now I'm letting the rice water sit, and then I'm gonna condition with this and the Tangle. And y'all probably see me after I blow dry. So, yeah. Hey y'all, the time is now 3:48. I washed my hair and everything. I'm blow drying it right now. Got this little piece left. I'm in a rush, so I'm talking fast. I'm about to blow dry my hair, and then I'm taking my sister to the fair with her friends. So I'm gonna get dressed. I'm gonna try to come back to y'all, show y'all the fit before I leave, and then see y'all at the fair. So yeah, love y'all. See y'all. Mwah. I'm back. It's 3:56. My hair is finally blow dried. Period. I'm about to get dressed, and I'm gonna see y'all in a bit. A quick OOTD. I had on graphic shirt, cargo shorts, orange New Balances to match my shirt, Steve Madden purse, and I put my hair in a claw clip. But yeah, I will see y'all later. We're on the way, about to be on the way to the fair. Excuse my messy room. Love y'all. So I got my children in the back, and they're matching, and we're here at the fair. I'll show y'all a little bit when we get in. But yeah, y'all say hey. Hey. Bye y'all. We are in at the fair stuff. They are probably gonna find us. I don't get them a wristband so they can ride their rides.
I smell fries because I don't.
I don't know how to get in here. My edge is sweating out. It's okay, I'm still a bad bitch. The baddest bitch. Who's next? So I'll see y'all. We're here. Y'all can see we got a lot of rides. I need to find them a wristband. But yeah. They said the horses, the ponies looking distressed. Look. Wait, I'll show y'all again. I know. They just look so sad. Did they not get fed today? Look at my keys. They're back off the Ferris wheel. They about to get on this ride. Y'all scared? I can't even see you. You scared? You scared? They scared. They're trying to act hard. They're trying to act hard, but they scared. Look at them. They're really scared. is up there. Look at my baby. Oh my God. Y'all, they on this ride, and I know they finna be screaming. Yeah, okay, get on. I get on the other side. Y'all see on the other side, shit. Where they at? Look at my baby. It just sweated out, but they ain't been getting on rides. I ain't been recording all the rides. They like to get up here. I don't know if they're already up there or if they're getting up there. I think they're about to get up there. But yeah, that's all. I probably record after, cause me and baby gonna go try this restaurant and what else? Something else. Oh, and do a mystery case file. So I will see y'all in a bit. Better hope. Stop cursing. So I have left the fair and I'm with my wife, and we are at this burrito place. It's called Dank Burrito, and I'm gonna show y'all how it look on the inside. You better get while you're on that clock. So yeah. I don't know, I'm tired. I'm about to get a game.
There's supposed to be a scary back in here, but I think everybody's.
Hey y'all, so I'm home back from Target, and me and baby are going to we're going to solve this case. Period. Queens. I'll see y'all later and update y'all on how far we got. Yeah. Toodaloo. Y'all, if y'all ever need something to do on a date night, or just by yourself, you bored, or with your homegirls, or your sister, or your mama, your daddy, your grandma, somebody, get the unsolved case file. Especially if you like Criminal Minds or what's the other criminal show? Any criminal shows and stuff like that? Get it. Worth it. And come with like stuff like this. So yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend.